Hello everyone, today I would like to show you more about verb to be in negative. The first unit we introduce about verb to be in positive, and now I would like to tell you more about it in negative. Okay, សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចឹងថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំចង់បង្ហាញទាំងអស់គ្នាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអំពីកិរិយាសព្ទ to be ជាទម្រង់បក្សែតតើវាយ៉ាងម៉េចវិញបាទអញ្ចឹងមុននឹងទៅកាន់វីដេអូទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមកុំភ្លេចជួយចុច Subscribe មួយផងហើយចុចរូបកណ្ដឹងឲ្យមួយផងបាទអូខេតោះ start ទាំងអស់គ្នា Here there are 3 points that we will talk about ទាំងនេះមាន3ចំណុចដែលយើងនឹងលើកយកមកបង្ហាញ review negative and practice ចំណុចទាំង3នឹងបង្ហាញនៅមេរៀនបន្ទាប់នៅទំព័របន្តទៀតអូខេ Yeah verb to be Are you Dara? No I'm not I'm Sambat Are you from Thailand? No I'm not I'm from Cambodia Is your name Richard? No it isn't my name is Tom Are you from Canada? No, I'm not. I'm from Britain. So you can see here ដូច្នេះទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចឃើញហើយនេះយុគសំណួរហើយនេះគឺជាវាបដិសេធវាងវាទាំងពីរហ្នឹងបាទ Okay let's go on to the detail តោះយើងទៅមើលការពណ៌នាពិស្ដារអំពីការប្រើប្រាស់ be នៅទម្រង់បដិសេធ to be the meaning អត្ថន័យរបស់វាគឺជាន័យIn present to be divided into 3 នៅក្នុងទម្រង់ស្របទម្រង់បច្ចុប្បន្នកាលដែលយើងបានបង្ហាញរួចហើយពី to be បាទហ្នឹងមើលទម្រង់បដិសេធប៉ុន្តែការបែងចែករបស់ to be នៅក្នុងទម្រង់ present simple ហ្នឹងគឺនៅតែ3ដូចគ្នាដដែលនេះ am is ហើយនឹង are ហើយ meaning របស់វាគឺជានៅដដែលបាទនេះគឺជានៅបាទនេះគឺការបែងចែករបស់ be នៅក្នុងទម្រង់បច្ចុប្បន្នកាល negative with I am not so នៅទម្រង់បដិសេធជាមួយ I am យើង add not នៅពីក្រោយនេះបាទ am not នេះគឺជាទម្រង់កាត់របស់វា am not look at example I'm not I am not a student I'm not a student បាទនេះ I'm not ទម្រង់កាត់របស់ I am not មានតែមួយនឹងទេគឺ am not គឺកាត់ I ជាមួយនឹង am I am not a teacher I'm not a teacher បាទនេះជាមួយ he she it there are two negative form នៅជាមួយ he she it គឺមានទម្រង់កាត់2ទី1 he she it ហ្នឹងគឺកាត់រវាង is ជាមួយ not នេះយើងកាត់បាន isn't មួយទៀតជាមួយ subject he she it ជាមួយនឹង is with apostrophe s apostrophe s ហើយបូកហើយ not ចាតោះលើមើលអ្នកគ្នា he she it isn't example he is not a student she is not a student she isn't a student isn't short from is not he is not a teacher he isn't a teacher isn't it is not a school it isn't a school នេះគឺជា short form រវាង is not is ជាមួយនឹង not អញ្ចឹងយើងបាន isn't he she it អក្សរ s not អញ្ចឹងអក្សរ s នេះគឺកាត់ជាមួយ subject he she it she is not a teacher she is not a teacher នេះរវាង subject C ហើយនឹង E he is not happy he's not happy ระเบียง he ហើយនឹង is it is not a school it's not a school ระเบียง it ហើយនឹង is ចឹងគឺជាទម្រង់ការរបស់វាទៅមើលទម្រង់ការរបស់ we you they not អញ្ចឹងនៅទម្រង់ការជាមួយ we you they ក៏មានពីរដែរទីមួយគឺការរវាង a ហើយនឹង not បាន and មួយទៀតអបស្រោះ or e ជាមួយ subject we you they yeah not ទៅមើលអស់គ្នា we you they and we are not teachers we aren't teacher are not and you are not doctor you aren't doctors they are not lawyers they aren't lawyer and short form របស់ are not ចូលកលេចមកមើល short form របស់ we you they ជាមួយអបសរ or e ហើយនឹង not អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាអបសរ or e មួយ not នេះគឺវាកាត់ជាមួយ we you they subject របស់វា we are not teachers we are not teacher here យើង pronoun ថា we are not teacher you are not doctors you're not doctor you're not they are not lawyer they're not yeah say they are not lawyer អញ្ចឹង we បស្រោ er គឺ short form from we are you អបស្រោ or e short form from you are they អបស្រោ or e short from they are look at practice use the verb to be and write the negative form of to be in present I be not lazy what oh I am not number one what is it I'm not an engineer two he's not a lawyer three please she not afraid of dog four it's not a cat right number five we are not tennis players six they are not doctors seven Rajana is not an artist eight my classmate is not funny nine my parents are not at school 10 his son is not so smart okay thank you for watching the video don't forget to subscribe the channel okay thank you very much បាទអរគុណច្រើនសម្រាប់ការទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះសូមកុំភ្លេចចុច subscribe ផងមួយម្នាក់ផងបាទអរគុណច្រើន goodbye